Hey, it's Lisa at Fresh Roof. Are you looking for a proactive way to protect your roof? Whether it's brand new or starting to show its age, look no further. Fresh Roof has the perfect solution for you. Our unique green soy technology and granulock technologies are what make Fresh Roof stand out. Green soy technology infuses natural oils back into your shingles, making them more flexible and durable. Granulock technology ensures that granules on your shingles stay put, providing an added layer of protection against the elements. In fact, Fresh Roof can reduce granule loss by 25% for new shingles and by 55% for aged shingles. Plus, each treatment comes with a 6-year warranty. And if you start treating your roof from new with repeated treatments, you can double the normal life of your roof. Just one application of Fresh Roof can extend the life of your roof, protecting your investment for years to come. Whether your roof is new or aging, Fresh Roof helps it perform its best. Join the countless homeowners who have already discovered the Fresh Roof difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Take a proactive approach to roof maintenance and protect your roof today. Visit our website or call us today to get a free quote and learn more about how Fresh Roof can protect your home.